Hey! Didn't expect to see you here. Didn't expect to see me out of my house, huh? Sometimes I like to go look around. But then again, I guess the bigger question is why you're on a roof with me. I like overlooking the town. I like seeing what's up. Seeing if there's anything I need to take. Uh-huh. Huh? You were looking for me? Are you here to arrest me? Because that's genuinely a thing that's happened before and I kind of need to know. What I get arrested for? Well, there was this one time I tried to give this girl a boyfriend out of nothing. Like, I tried to make a fictional boy real for her. You know, I didn't like seeing her sad. But then I kinda misguided the spell onto her cat. And I turned him into a real boy. Well, a Neko. You know what those are, with that they look human but they have the cat ears and tail. Yeah. And needless to say, she freaks out, he freaks out, I get locked up. Yeah, I don't really know how that happens either. Yeah. But anyway, we have bigger problems. Well, bigger topics, not problems. At least I hope we don't have problems. Do we have problems? Whew. That's one thing off. Okay. So what you gotta say? You, you needed to ask me something. If you want me to make another aphrodisiac for you, I'd be very glad to do that. Speaking of that aphrodisiac, how's your, mad humping skills with that thing? Well, I'm glad it worked. Huh? You want to do what? You wanted to ask to be my apprentice? Wait, you want me to teach you? Are you asking me this so you can make a lifetime supply of aphrodisiacs on your own? Or and you're gonna get really hyped up on them? Because I gotta tell you, that's not a good idea. And I talk from experience. Well, I haven't experienced it myself, but I'm very lucky. See, I knew this guy, he was really good at making these things for whatever reason, and he managed to drink a lot of them. Kind of my fault since I dared him. And he, you know how they say too much of a good thing? Yeah, that's exactly what happened with him. He became a zombie. You know, like in that one game, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's where you go running through a city and you're trying to shoot down these zombies that are trying to, and there's also bugs. Yeah, I didn't know that was something people were into either, but I guess the world is filled with a lot of people that are very weird. Okay, anyway, back to the dude. It's really unfortunate, because, he was really good. Like, top of the academy class, kinda. Really. Like, he was so good. And then he became a zombie, and then he kind of ran around. Like, really ran around. I mean, he went rampant. And was quickly decapitated. Yeah, I hope a necromancer doesn't find that. I know a necromancer, but I wouldn't dare mention that to her. You don't want to learn necromancy, by the way. The result is very ugly. It's not a pretty picture. Even the genie don't like doing it. Really, you don't want to go that route, trust me. It's even worse with, like, making monsters. Only a few are successful at that art, but here's the thing. Those that aren't makeups, they make something really terrible. Like, really terrible. I knew these sisters that, bless their grandma to bits, their grandma, as I heard from my mom, she was super powerful. Like, she could create these creatures and they were so amazing. Like, I think she was responsible for making the first dragon. I don't know, I'll have to look that up more. But yeah. Anyway, the two sisters, they created this spider kind of creature. And they used a dead elf to do it. And a freaking Black Widow spider. No, they didn't kill the elf. Why would they do something so heartless? Or at least I would hope they didn't kill that elf. I mean, they were pretty much the sweetest, gentlest people I ever knew in my life. Oh yeah, we're veering off the topic, aren't we? Yeah. I don't really know what to say about the whole apprenticeship thing other than, sure, I'm glad to take you on. But I mean, like, please don't be the zombie guy and definitely don't be the sisters. And don't be a necromancer either. I'm strong. I can take you out if I need to. But I don't wanna. 'Cause let me tell you, you look like you got some potential to you. And you've also got a really nice butt on you to boot. Wink wonk. Yeah. Well, to initiate this union, I don't have any rice wine or anything like that, so let's just settle it with this. You go. What? Trust me, it won't hurt you. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Isn't that good? I made that myself. With elderberries and cherries. I don't even know what elderberries taste like. I just know they're used in wine. Anyway, I guess we'd better go back home, huh? Teaching waits for no one. And I get the feeling you're gonna be an awesome student. My first pupil. Let's hope I do better than my master did.